Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can remove the audio from the clips in DaVanci Resolve. So this is the video clip that I wanna remove the sound from. So as you can see, when I click on audio or video, automatically the entire clips has been selected. So first thing to do here is to uncheck this option. Okay, now when I click on audio, as you can see, it's only selected the audio. And the same thing when I click on video, the video has been selected. But if you click delete on the keyboard, you will delete the entire video clips with sound. So if you want to remove only audio or video and keep one clip, instead of pressing delete on the keyboard, press backspace, this button. When you click right here, you will remove just one object. So now first select the object you want to remove. If it's audio or video, then press backspace, and that's it. As you can see, the audio has been removed, and we can do the same thing with the video. Remove the video and keep the sound. So that's how you can remove the sound from the video clips in DaVanci Resolve. I hope you find this useful. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.